You know, most Americans think, dinner should be the largest meal. But that ain't right. Dinner should actually be the smallest meal. You want to stick to small portion sizes, and you don't want to eat too close to bedtime. Now look over here, you got some great things you can buy, like a cheeseburger, a chicken sandwich. Well, come on over here and I'm going to show you a few things you can use while on the road. It's better to plan your meals than have to rely on fast food options. They also make a lot of tools for truckers and travelers, to help keep your meals hearty and healthy when you're on the road. Like, I feel kind of like a kid at Christmas, looking at all this stuff like, hey, yo, Adrian, look at what Santa Claus brought us. We got this saucepan, this is something you always wanted, when we're out on the road, you can make, your pasta sauce. She always makes the best pasta sauce, And also, look at this, you got this portable roaster. You can do like vegetables and things like that. Oh, look at this, we got a cooler, a portable cooler. You can keep all the drinks and stuff. And also, it's like you got the fridge. Also got, look, a portable stove, and you can put the saucepan on there maybe, I don't know. Oh, listen, you got a cooler bag. You can put all kinds of drinks, and it keeps it cool. Kind of like me. A slow cooker. You can cook all kinds of healthy recipes with simple ingredients with this thing. It's made for the long haul. Kind of like you. You can win one of these Love's gift cards, compliments of ATA Comp Fund and AIR, Alliance Interstate Risk. Who wouldn't want to win one of these, You could get some items like this, to help you on the road.
To be a winner, you gotta eat like a winner.